Today we'll be installing a humidity and temperature gauge in the greenhouse, so stay tuned. Welcome to Pine Meadows Hobby Farm. I'm your host, Jaymi Hansen. This is going to be a very simple install. I purchased this at Fred Meyer on sale for $7.99, and looks like all I need to do is put a AA battery in it. The features of this gauge: it records the current humidity levels, the lowest humidity record for the last 24 to 36 hours, the lowest temperature, the highest humidity, and if the humidity is too high. Okay, so I'm just going to install a AA battery on this. There's a little button on the back that changes from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Installation is easy. The back comes with a magnet, a clip, or you can pop it out and there's a little stand. I want to thank you for joining me on this project today. We installed a temperature and humidity gauge for the greenhouse today. I've been your host, Jaymi Hansen at Pine Meadows Hobby Farm, and I want to thank you for joining us today in the greenhouse. Be sure to follow us on social media. Don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. Please leave a comment, and sharing our video really helps the channel. We'll see you next time. Much love.